Good morning, students. Today we are doing the next topic, rainwater harvesting. As you know that life on earth is dependent on five basic elements: earth, water, fire, air and sky. Above the five basic elements, water is an important natural resource and it is the basis of our life. No creature can survive without it. As you know that we are using water for drinking, irrigation, industry, transport and for the production of hydroelectricity. And water is a renewable resource which can be used again and again. Renewable means the resources which can be used again and again. Okay, so water needs to be conserved. So how can be conserved? So today we are discussing about rainwater harvesting, or you can say roof water harvesting. So there are various techniques to conserve water. Rainwater is one of the technique. Rainwater harvesting, it is one of the most effective methods of water conservation. So today we are doing the first technique, that is the rainwater harvesting. It is the technique used for collecting, storing and using rainwater for irrigation and other needs of human, animals and plants. So here I am showing you rainwater harvesting. So during rainfall, as you can see here, during rainfall the water falls on the roof or terrace of our houses or buildings. So the roofs should have a gutter of PVC. PVC is polyvinyl chloride to collect water and channel it to down water pipe system. And gutters help us to collect the water from roofs, and it is important to keep the roof clean so as to ensure that the rainwater collected are free from dust and bacterial contamination. Okay, so after this, about 3 to 4 down water pipes seem sufficient for 1000 to 1200 square feet area. So these can be connected to each other, as you can see here in this animation, that to form one or two outlets to lead to the storage system. So here you can see the drain, you can see how we are collecting the water. So it is very important to filter the water because it enters the storage tank so as to remove the dirt and other particles. So you can see the storage tank here, and water is collecting to storage tank now. Water from the downtake pipe fills up storage tank for further agriculture or domestic use, and we can use this water for the agriculture or domestic use. Thank you.